Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? You know, I ran into my favorite store this evening and I really wasn't looking to buy any of this. I just went in. I went to see my cashier friends and stuff like that. But anyway, I looked around and I did see a couple of deals that are going to be deals for tomorrow. But what I bought first was this vitamins. This vitamins, it's vitamin K. Oh, sorry, you couldn't see it. Vitamin K and a folate. Oh, I thought it said, okay. A folate, and let's see, what is the folate good for? It may help support heart and reproductive health. Oh my God, I don't need no reproductive health. And the other one is vitamin K, and that supports bones and joint health. This one, the folate, I really don't need, but I can give it to my niece who is expecting. Okay, anyway, guys, I bought this along with this here, $5.99. Oh, but I took that back. I returned this. I had bought the feminine wash, and I really didn't understand it because that's a sale that's going to be for tomorrow. So it's $5.99 and $5.99, but it was buy one get one, which the sign was not placed on the product yet. So I didn't get it at that price. But what happened was that once I did not get the extra care bucks, I told her I really didn't want it. I'll wait until tomorrow's sale starts. So then when she went to refund the money, instead of getting $5.99 back and $2.99 back, I was getting $3.21 and $1.60 back. So I told them I really did not understand why I was getting that back, but they were saying it was because I used that $1. I used a $1 off coupon, which was a CRT, and then what I did was I used a gift card, and I used $10 that was on that gift card. But anyway, it messed me up something terrible, and which then led to another deal that I had done, and that was a deal for the physician's formula. Now, the physician's formula was, the sign said, you buy $10 worth, you get $7 back. But because I used a $4 off CRT, they told me I could not get the $7 back. And so they were talking about it and saying that I needed something else to offset that cost. So the beauty lady brought me this physician's formula eye makeup remover, and this was $5.99, so $5.49. So I had to end up buying this so that I could then earn the $7 in extra care bucks, which they had to force print. So they printed that out, so I got that back. Now, as I was telling you about the feminine wash that I had initially bought, when they gave me my change, I got back $4.24 plus this 17 cents in the extra care bucks. I told them, what the heck? I said, what is this? So we went through, was going through a thing anyway. So they told me I had to wait until, if I wanted to, I could wait until Monday when the manager comes in, and then he can tell me that because I had brought down the price of $10.99 for the for this one product by itself, I had brought it down lower. Okay, so from $10.99, you figure you take $4 off, that's like $6. So that it don't qualify for the $7 in extra care bucks. So I told him that is really ridiculous. I've never ever had to deal with that before. And anyway, so when we find out on Monday who was right, I told the quasi manager she's gonna have to take me out to lunch. So anyway, I'm gonna check the policy and see. I read the policy while it was in the store, and it didn't say anything like that. So anyway, guys, So I ended up buying this. This deal is really for Sunday. Sunday tomorrow, which is the 11th. And I also saw that they had the 23andMe personal genetic service. Now this was $29.99, and when you buy it at $29.99, you get back $20 in extra care bucks, which means then that you are only buying this at $9.99. So this precedes the sale that's going to be for Black Friday, when you pay $29.99 and you're going to get the $29.99 back. But I still think it's a great deal at $20. So I did get that back for the 23andMe kit. And as I was telling you, I got the $10 rewards back for the vitamins here. All right, so this was my pre-sale for tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll start the sale, but I was able to get the physician's formula and this genetic kit, which is going to be on sale starting tomorrow. All right, so I hope you understand what I'm talking about. This here vitamin sale was for this week that's passing, but these are two new products that's going to be on sale next week. I mean, starting the 11th, okay, November 11th. All right, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, and whenever there's a problem, try to talk it out nicely instead of, being, really adverse and mean acting and so closed, and open to change if that's what just open, but nice and positive. Okay? All right, guys, I will talk to you later when I do my next transaction, which will probably be tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. Remember, have fun shopping. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up the video, press the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I put up a video. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Love you much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.